Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Docusign in 2026, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to send, sign, and manage documents easily and professionally. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to docusign.com. Click on Sign Up if you're new, or Log in if you already have an account. Once you're inside, you'll land on your main dashboard. Now, let's start by sending a document for signature. Click on the New button and select Send an Envelope. Upload the document you want to send. This could be a PDF, Word file, or other supported format. Next, add your recipients. Enter the name and email address of the person who needs to sign the document. You can also set the signing order if multiple people are involved. After that, click Next to customize the document. Here's where you drag and drop fields like signature, date, name, and initials. Place these fields wherever you want the recipient to fill them out. Once everything looks good, click Send. Your recipient will receive an email with a link to sign the document. Now let's look at how to sign a document using Docusign. When you receive a document, open the email and click on Review Document. Follow the prompts, click on the highlighted fields, and adopt your signature, either by typing, drawing, or uploading it. Click Finish, and that's it. Your document is signed and automatically saved. Finally, let's talk about managing your documents. Back on your dashboard, you can track all your sent and received documents. You'll see statuses like completed, waiting for others, or declined. You can also download, resend, or set reminders with just a few clicks. And that's the basics of using Docusign in 2026. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.